morning, I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to take about on the topics of lecture video series on the topics of nanomaterials. So nanomaterials is a place with a major role applications in the formation of semiconductor chips and the semiconductor electrical devices based on this quantum dots which is have been using in the formation of color reflections with the LED and the LCD displays. So the nanomaterials which have in the size formation of 10 to the power minus 9 nanometers with the range of 1 to 100 nanometer. So the nanometer sizes have been varying ranges from this following to there is the same variations with this formation to form the nanomaterials. So the nanomaterials which have been explained in the formation of the nanoscience, nanotechnology and the nanochemistry. So nanochemistry which have been used to manipulate the structure and atoms of the molecules to identify the structures, and the nanomaterials which have been used in the formation to display the electrical devices like a semiconductor and the display to the electronics. So whenever we have this nanotechnology is based to have that to fabricate the design and to display the structure of the particles. So the synthesis of nanoparticles can be based on these two types we are using. One is the top-down method and another one is the bottom-up approach method. So top-down method is nothing but we are going to separate the particles from the bigger particles to the formation of a cluster and the cluster to the nanoparticle sizes. So from bigger particles to the smaller particle sizes have been displayed in the formation of a top-down method. And the bottom-up approach we are going to display in the formation of a smaller particles to in the formation of to bigger particles in the formation of a nano-sized materials. So the nano-sized materials and the formation to form the bottom-up approach method. So from these two methods we are going to synthesis the nanoparticles in the formation of there is a synthesis of nanoparticles to be explained in the format for 4 different types. One is a CVD, another one is a laser ablation, and the solvothermal method, and the fourth one is the salt gel method. So these are the 4 types of method which are used to the synthesis of materials. So by using the synthesis of material, the first method we are going to explain by using this CVD method. The CVD method is nothing but it is a chemical vapor deposition method. So the chemical vapor deposition method is nothing but we have the solid substrate target material by using in the formation of it. This is the explanation with this CVD method. So here the gas which have been using in the formation of a carbon to form the explanation of decomposition of the hydrocarbons, and the another gas we are using here is N2 and nitrogen or argon gas which is used to form the hydroxide groups in the form to display the electrons. So here the substrate target method we are using only in the formation of aluminum, cobalt and nickel. So these are the substrate target material we are using here. So the substrate target material we are placing here, and while we are passing the carbon and the nitrogen or argon to in the formation of in the places to here, and at the same two side the chemical inert atmosphere are maintained toward this experiment to how the solid substrate material can be decomposed by the formation of a carbon to the hydrogen, and it forms as a evaporation of the materials, and then we will get this to deposit the carbon nanotube which is in the formation of a CNT. So here that substance target material we are going to evaporate with the formation of an inert atmosphere. So the inert atmosphere is generally maintained in this experiment, and we are adding the formation of a carbon gas and within the formation of a nitrogen and the argon gas which passes through this inert atmosphere. And by the deposition of the carbon nanotubes, there is 4 different types how the carbon nanotubes can be formed. So here the first method we are using in this is thermal. So thermal CVD method which are using in this case we are using as 700 degrees Celsius we are using in this experiment by formation of a thermal plasma experiment. And the second one we are using as a plasma CVD. So plasma CVD we are using as in the formation of a minus 50 degrees Celsius to form in this inert atmosphere, and we have to deposit the carbon nanotubes. And the third one we are using as a laser CVD. So laser CVD we are using as an intense light to form in the formation of at the center target substrate material to form the CVD. And the fourth one we are using as a photo laser. So photo laser we are using in the formation of a UV light sensors. So UV light sensors goes to reflect the light and from the wave nature. And the last one, there are the types. One is wall method. These are the types we are using in this nanomaterials will form the CVD method. Thank you.